this happens to the
Acha, let me say something, then you try again. See, can technology hinder our punctuality? Yeah, it can help and hinder both. For example, it can hinder or it can help. For example, we have calendar, we have checklist, we have many calendars in the technology. We can use it, we can make a timetable, and we can work according to that scheduled event and time. So technology help us. On the other hand, if somebody misuse the technology, somebody use like the screen time become from 3 hours to 8 hours a day, and that can definitely hinders our punctuality. For example, instead of going to college at 3, I might go 3:30 because of these addictive nature of the technology, because of the YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and other stuff. It is definitely going to hinder, obstruct, hamper our punctuality.
punctuality.
So can you try again? Can technology hinder our punctuality?
Yes, actually, technology can help and as well as hinder our punctuality.
Right.
For example, like technology can help us in different scenarios, like keeping a watch on our task
Hmm.
and like being reaching to our places on time. For example, if we have our personal vehicles,
Yes, yes.
if we have our personal vehicles, then we can reach on time. But along with that, uh, it can also hinder our punctuality in the way like if we are very much addictive to the social media platform, so it can
Have a negative effect.
negative effect on our punctuality.
Alhamdulillah.